Hi everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of December 2020 has in store for the sun sign Leos. For Leos, this entire first week of December 2020 could prove to be a little bit of an emotionally burdening week. This is because there are some important decisions that you will have to make for this entire first week of December 2020. And the decisions in some areas of our life, of your life, have been quite pending. You've been thinking about it and you know what's the right thing to do, but you've not been able to actually go ahead and take that decision. So, this is the kind of week where you will come to a conclusion that it is high time that you have to take a decision no matter how heavy that feels. The problem is not about making the decision. You see, the choice of making a decision between what you want and what is actually supposed to be done is going to prove a little bit emotionally burdening for you. So see to it that you don't unnecessarily get emotionally vulnerable. Rather than that, logically see through what is right as opposed to what is it that you want. You already know the correct answer. It's just that you will have to become a little bit emotionally stronger, and you'll pass the week nicely, much fairly. Moving on to the space of work. The workspace is going to be absolutely beautiful. You will be able to work very nicely throughout the entire week. There are no such particular hassles or hustle bustle in your workspace. Everything just goes as properly. Yes, you might have to put in a little bit few more hours at your workspace, but yes, everything is going to be under your control. All the things submitted on time, so there is basically no hurry and everything goes smoothly at your workspace. Moving on to your financial space. So for the first week of December 2020, expect some unexpected financial expenses coming up. Not that you're not going to be able to cope up with that. You are absolutely financially stable and hence you will be able to cope up with the expenditures, but they might just throw you off guard. So you might just feel a little bit financially unsettled and a tad little irritated at the way those expenditures just came up suddenly in your life. But since you are thankfully very well prepared and financially stable, it'll not be much of a problem to overcome those financial expenditures. Moving on to the area of relationships. Now this is where the cards say that the Leos will be pretty much affected for the first week of December 2020. For couples who are in a relationship, some of you might actually go through this experience of knowing that the relationship is not actually going anywhere. There are chances that your relationship has become kind of settled in a boring way. Probably you have come to the fag end of a relationship. You might actually realize that the relationship is not emotionally fulfilling, but it's difficult to let go of a relationship, let's say, which you have invested in quite some time. There is a very high possibility that the first week of December 2020 will bring in the dilemma of choosing between to be or not to be in a relationship. So, this is where the real hurt for the Leos will be for the first week of December 2020. However, again, the cards advise that put in your mind into understanding as to what is right for the relationship, right for you and the other person involved, and not what you want necessarily. If both are on the same page and if you mutually agree, it is better to let go of a relationship that is not working or that is absolutely stagnant. Yes, it might be painful, but eventually in the end, it will work out for the both. Moving on to the area of health. Health is absolutely fine for the Leos. It's just that some of y'all may experience a slight pain in the right leg of yours. So pay a little bit attention to your right leg. Also, if in case you're going through any kind of dental treatment, see to it that you follow up very thoroughly. Do not miss your dentist appointments, because if you're already going through some kind of a dental treatment, there are chances that it could be a little bit delayed, and the recovery could be a little bit slower for this particular week. Your feedback, your comments, and your experience about how you felt was the first week of December 2020 for you is absolutely welcome. I would love to read from you. So please drop in your experiences in the comment box or do DM me. I'll be happy to read your messages. Wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.